Hello children, let us know about scattering of light. The process of re-emission of observed light in all directions with different intensities by an atom or molecule is called scattering of light. The effect of light on a molecule depends upon its size. If the particle size is small, it will be affected by higher frequency or lower wavelength of light. Let us consider an atom in space and also consider a light of certain frequency or certain wavelength incident on this particular atom. This atom responds when the size of this atom is comparable to the wavelength of this light, then this atom responds. This atom absorbs light and vibrates. Due to these vibrations, it re-emits the absorbed energy in all possible directions like this. So, this re-emitted light is said to be scatter light, and this process is said to be scattering of light, and the atom is said to be scattering center. Let us consider theta, the angle between incident light direction and scattered light direction, and this angle is called angle of scattering. That means the angle between incident light and scattered light directions is called angle of scattering. The intensity of light varies with angle of scattering. The intensity of light is maximum at 90 degrees angle of scattering. This is the reason for the appearance of clear blue color when we look at the sky in direction perpendicular to the direction of sun rays. If the angle of vision changes, the intensity of blue color also changes. Thank you.